How to recover Gmail account password without recovery email and phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can recover our Google account without password and phone number, without any email or phone number. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to recover your account without using any phone number and email, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. You may just head over to Google directly, or I'm just going to open up a browser for now. After that, on the search bar of the Google, you're going to type in Google recovery, and you'll be taken to a page where you'll be finding different kind of links. You're just going to type on this option called recovery email. The second one, just tap on it and wait for the page to load. After that, here you need to give your account that you want to verify, that you want to recover. So after that is done, you'll be finding this option called enter your password here. So in order to recover your account, but since we don't know our password, we're just going to tap on this try another way option, and it will take you to another page. So here it says choose how you want to sign in. You can tap on this try another way again, and you'll be taken to another page. They will give you another option. You can see this option called check your Samsung phone or any of the devices that you've logged in the account in. You will just receive a code. After that, go there and type in the code that you receive on that particular device. After that, go on with the process of entering a new password for your email account. Otherwise, if this process doesn't work for you, the next step you can apply is just close this up. After that, head over to the Google Play Store in your device. After that, you just need to log in into your Google Play Store account, and on the home page of the Google Play Store, just open up your Google Play Store first, and you'll be finding a Google account. So just tap on your Google account at the top right of the Google Play Store. After that, you can find this help and feedback option at the bottom. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be redirected to another page where you can find this option called contact us and ask the help community. You may use either of the method. For now, I'm just going to use this contact us option. So here you can see this to tell us what they can help with. There you can see this option. So you're just going to type in your issue here, like how you want to recover your account, but without using your email and password, without using your email and phone number. Just type in your problem here. After that, tap on next and give this a resources option here. On the next option, you need to type in your resources, like what kind of issue it is. In brief, explain everything to them and try convincing them your issue. And you can see this contact option on the step number 3. Just gonna give a contact option so that they can contact you back later, like your Gmail account, the other one, and your other phone number. So that's how you basically do it. After that, they will try helping you recover your account very easily. Just like that, you may follow that process. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.